Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by spotting the pronoun's job in the sentence: subject, object, or possessive. Once identified, pick the correct person and number so agreement holds. Make sure to confirm gender or neutral form when needed, because clarity prevents confusion. Then replace the noun with the matching pronoun immediately and read aloud to test natural flow. If it stumbles, re-evaluate antecedent choice. This first step locks syntactic agreement and primes you for pronoun reference consistency as you proceed. Once done with initial substitution, focus on agreement and clarity. You must ensure the antecedent is close and uniquely identifiable, otherwise the reader will guess. If ambiguity exists, repeat the noun or rephrase the sentence to eliminate confusion, because pronouns without clear reference break comprehension. Also check verb forms to match singular or plural pronouns and watch collective nouns. Make adjustments now. This reduces misreading and preserves tone, so your sentences communicate smoothly and precisely. To finish, read each sentence aloud to catch awkward pronoun use and ensure natural rhythm. If you have compound subjects or lists, repeat the noun for one sentence to avoid confusion, then return to pronouns in later sentences. Make sure possessive forms and reflexives match intent. If problems persist, replace the pronoun with the noun, then rework sentence structure. This is a quick troubleshooting tip that restores clarity without guessing. Finally, scan for consistency across the paragraph before you finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.